Ito yung mga turista galing Pilipinas. Pasya lang dito sa Kiwaki-Waki wave, Waki-Waki. Ayan. Okay. Maganda din. Ito yung pinaka-center city ng Zurich. Daming mga turista. Ito yung fountain na pwede inumin. Public siya. Saka ito yung pedestrian dito. Ayan. May Breitling at saka doon may Victorinox. Original talaga yun doon. At saka ito yung pedestrian dito sa kabila. At saka dito din yung pedestrian sa kabila. Ang dami ng turista. Ito pa rin sa Zurich, Switzerland. Most populated city ng Switzerland. Pero ang capital ay Bern dito sa Switzerland. Ayan. Uwi na tayo bukas. Kaya sulitin natin na magpasyal dito. Ito yung fountain open to the public, tap water, pwede mo inumin. This is all over Switzerland, or particularly here in Zurich. So makita mo ito pinaka social ito. Ito yung isang lot or the whole building sa Google yung may-ari nito dito sa Zurich. Yan, lahat yan na building Google yung may-ari. Yan, gayon yaman yung Google. Maabot pa yan na dito yung nila, properties nila. Ilang block yan. Tsaka dito yun ang fountain. Paplayo tayo kung makita natin. Yan yung forma niya. Yan talaga yung fountain dito. Open yan 24 hours, hindi yan patay-patay. Direct from the top line, tap water. Tsaka ito, may kuha na tayo dito ng mga videos. Pero maganda pa rin siya. Friday, Saturday ngayon. Hindi siya masyadong busy. Dami kasing mga hindi bakasyonista. Yung iba kasi nasa ibang bansa din. Local. Yan. Kaya kita mo yan. Google ang may-ari yan. Lahat na mga building na yan hanggang doon. Kita mo yan kung malapitan mo. Yan, Google. Ang may-ari. The whole plot. The whole lot. Yan, Google yan. Yan dyan. So ito yung area namin.
Links abbiegen auf Diener Straße, dann rechts abbiegen auf Zini Straße.
So you have to go back to the airport.
Sa iyo kay Batak na.
Morning breakfast.
Okay na ka?
Ada kan police day dito. Is every quarter.
Okay na. Kita na.
Sa mga highway patrol airport. It's Sunday. Halos lahat sirado. Basta Sunday. Most of the stores here are closed on Sunday.
Leicht
Ist
rechts
da
abbiegen auf
Stores?
Lehmattplatz, dann
Stores
rechts
sind-
halten.
Sunday, no stores. Yeah. No stores on Sunday.
But airport is open.
Airport is open. How about train, tram?
But the door of the airplane,
Yeah,
maybe
that
it's
one
closed.
But it's the same expensive.
Still expensive.
In 300 Metern
You're a
rechts
joker,
abbiegen auf
You're a
Weststraße
joker.
auf dem
You're a
rechten
happy man.
Fahrstreifen.
I love it. Yeah, yes. If you make more jokes, then you have passengers are smiling.
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah.
More or less.
Yeah, more or less.
Rechts
Yeah.
abbiegen
But I
auf
guess it's more.
Straße.
Maganda itong driver natin na may pagka-joker ito. Joker Arroyo. So ito yung, this is the Zurich, right? Zurich City?
Zurich City is this one, downtown.
Downtown.
No,
Zurich, yeah.
it's around here.
Do you live close here?
Yeah.
Linken
Yes.
Fahrstreifen wählen, links abbiegen auf A1L und dann 2 Fahrspuren weiter links einordnen.
German.
German?
Yeah. How many languages do you speak?
Me,
Yeah.
almost 5.
Five?
Yeah.
What are those? What languages? German?
Germany, English, French, my language, and another language. Arabic.
Arabic.
Ano marami?
أنا نحكي عربي شوية.
Shwaya.
من وين انتو؟ اشتيش تعرف عربي؟
Arabis ya, ya mo marida. Mo marida.
You speak Tagalog? No, Tagalog?
No.
No Tagalog.
Which language is it?
Philippines. Philippines.
Are you from Philippines?
Yes.
Every group?
Yeah.
No.
A big no.
I never seen.
But
I never been in the Philippines too, you know.
yeah. I'll take your car there and you drive there or Uber.
To Philippines, how long?
I don't know, you just charge to the Uber
2
company.
months. Maybe 3 or 6 months. No way.
You're funny. You're a joker. Love you.
Yeah, we know.
You're alright.
We have to, huh?
Oh yeah.
Well.
We always make happy.
Yeah, it's
When you make other people happy, then you're happy.
You're happy.
Yes. What is this? This is like a tunnel or underground or
It's tunnel.
tunnel? Yeah, right. But under the water or just
No.
no?
Just
the mountain.
the mountain.
Above is the mountain.
Yeah.
Oh.
But in Zurich, you know, in Switzerland, it's many mountains.
Yeah, right.
We have the many tunnels. You know?
So many tunnels.
Yeah.
And then after this is already airport. Not yet.
Yeah, almost.
Almost.
It's not far.
Yes.
In 3 Kilometern Ausfahrt rechts Richtung
Do
Berneben.
you visit some countries too?
Yeah, I was in Asia no more.
No more in
In
Asia.
Asia no more.
You're only here in Europe.
In Europe, in
All over.
America, Africa.
Okay.
I was in Europe is too much, mostly. Yeah.
Yeah.
Greek, Turkey, Asia, Europe, no?
Yeah.
Turkey half.
Half. Europe and Asia.
Europe
yes.
and Asia.
Yeah.
And Greek is Europe, you know.
Yes.
I
Still
was
Europe.
Italy, France, Spain.
Yeah.
I like vacation, you know.
Philippines is still in Europe.
Philippines,
Yes. Part. Half is half.
really?
Yeah.
What about Israel?
100 Metern Ausfahrt rechts Richtung Berneben auf
I was
der
have
rechten Fahrstreifen.
one friend from Philippines. She's working with me.
Here.
Here in Zurich. I think
Switzerland?
his father is Swiss.
Okay.
mother, but she live in Philippines.
Yeah.
She's
yes.
coming for some.
Visit.
Vacation. For some months to work here and she collect money. She go.
Okay.
She don't want to live here, you know.
Yeah.
But she have possibility to work in here.
Auf dem rechten Fahrstreifen
And she
rechts
worked
auf
6,
A4
4 months,
Richtung
then-
A5
Then go back to
Hafenhalten.
Philippines.
She go back. Jessica. His name is Jessica, you know.
Yeah. But you love to stay here in Switzerland?
Fahrstreifen rechts auf A4
I don't have
Richtung
another
A5
opportunity, brother.
Hafenhalten.
What's that? You know.
I don't know another opportunity. My
your
country
opportunity.
is
Switzerland.
Better.
Ah.
Better.
Ah, okay.
Where are you from, my friend?
I'm from Eritrea, bro.
Yeah.
Eritrea. Stop.
East Africa, yeah.
Africa. But you still visit regularly?
Yeah.
Eritrea.
I've been in April, then,
In April.
1 month.
Good that you learned how to speak German and other languages.
My children, they speak Germany, the pure German, is not like me. Because they're born here, they go to
Yeah.
school here.
So
everything
you-
is here. Me,
Yeah,
I'm
you're-
about 20 years here.
your children are smart, but they don't get it from you because the father is genius. The children are smart, but the father is
The
genius.
father is genius, yeah, exactly. Exactly, bro.
How about the mother? More genius.
No genius. Mother building the family, you know.
If you are the tiger, the mother is the trainer of the tiger.
Exactly. That is the truth, but we are the men, we don't accept it more.
We don't.
Only girl here.
We don't.
We say you never give up, you know.
We don't talk to it in front of your wife. Nah, just kidding. All right. Yeah.
It is reality, no problem.
Itong kuha natin. Our driver is really funny and
Are
smiling
you-
always.
Go back home now or?
No.
We have a different countries to go.
Yeah?
He is from the USA and one is from the New Zealand and we two are from Norway.
Norway.
Yes.
Yeah.
Have you been to Norway?
I was in Kristiansand.
Kristiansand.
Yeah, I was
we are in Oslo.
in Oslo,
Yeah.
the capital.
Yeah, capital.
You speak Norwegian too?
No.
No, they're very fluent on speaking Norwegian or Norse. No, it's not
Dash.
Norse.
Ruski. What is the language of German?
Norsk.
Ruski.
Norsk.
Yeah, Norsk.
The fuck, no, maybe police here.
Almost the same with Germany also. Like
Yeah.
good morning. In Germany, Guten Morgen.
Yeah,
In Norway, it's Go Morgen.
go Morgan. They are family, like Latin language.
Yeah.
I think
Your children here, they are free going to school?
everything is free.
Oh, nice.
Everything is free, but we pay too much tax, you know.
Oh, yeah,
Everything is in
We
Norway.
give them.
Yeah.
We give them, they give us.
Is that including college or just for high school?
Everything.
College too are free.
College.
Oh, that's nice. Any
But if the college is in other province,
it's not
you have to pay the rent, home rent, and like this, you know.
only the tuition,
Feeding.
only the college
Only
school
yeah,
fee.
school
How
is-
about hospital? Is it free?
hospital is free too, but we have insurance.
Ah, you have
You have to
insurance.
pay insurance.
We have to pay insurance for nothing. It's a little bit mafia
Ah, little.
because it is obligatory, you know. You have to obligatory. Without that one, you can't live in Switzerland without health insurance.
So everybody needs insurance or
Everybody must do.
do it.
Must.
Right? Yes, it's
Yeah.
must be. Yeah,
Must
yeah.
pay.
If you work here in Switzerland, how much per hour they are going to pay you?
It depends how. What is your profession?
Like cleaning, if you
Light cleaning is 20-25.
Oh, that's high, right? That's high here, but this is very
This
expensive
is
too.
cleaning.
That's
This is cleaning the lowest.
That's a
That's
cleaning.
70.
Right, but it's a high pay, but for us it's only 7.
Where you live?
United
So New
States.
Zealand, that's $70.
America. Hey, we have to work in America. I have my brother. He works 16 hours in a day.
Yes.
Too
Me
much,
too.
eh?
Too much.
No, that's normal for us
Oh, normal.
Yeah, for you,
Yeah,
yeah.
it's
Me,
normal.
not normal. We work only 8 hours. here.
because we don't have workers. too many works.
Yeah.
Too little workers. Yeah, that's true.
But why you don't pay a little
Higher.
higher? Yeah.
It depends
What?
on the cost of living. You know, some states because we have states.
Yeah, in California.
Yeah, California is
For
very
example.
expensive too.
Yeah.
They pay higher too.
Yeah.
That's why I said
Sa contract.
How
It's
we,
if-
how we get in months with 7 francs in hour?
Right, but the food is very cheap. It's like cents.
Everything.
Yeah, like the rent is only 1,000 or
Only
800. 800.
That's good.
Yeah, it's very good.
Yeah.
But here you
They
make
pay.
higher.
They pay. How they give
you
them
also
that?
you also pay
They
higher.
can't save.
Correct. That's why I'm saying 25 is high for us. I mean, it's really high.
It's high, but
But the cost of living
they
is
cut it, you know.
yeah, true.
They take many
Okay,
things.
wala mo ko extra ko contribute kay.
But you have like a minimum pay, right?
Comment si ma'am.
Like a
Minimum. That's minimum is 25.
Educator
The-
na siya
the law.
Educator na
No,
siya
no.
sa
It's the minimum too.
open lang.
There is a minimum. Some private
Company. Oh, okay.
company they pay 19, 20.
Oh, okay,
Bei
1920.
Radisson
But still a good
auf
one.
einem der zwei rechten
Yeah, but
Fahrstreifen.
the country is expensive.
Yeah, right. The
The
food,
house rent,
housing, the
benzene,
rent.
whatever, insurance.
Do you use gas or electric?
This one,
Yes.
gas and electric.
It's hybrid.
Si
Hybrid.
Japanese and New Zealand, si ma'am.
So it's very expensive here.
Rechts halten Richtung Arrive
Airport,
Radisson
too much
Hotel
people.
Departure, dann links halten.
Kapatid ni Aileen.
Yeah. Did you visit America too, your brother?
No,
Not yet.
maybe next year.
Maybe next year. Okay.
Links
It's my plan.
Dann
Yeah.
links halten
I have to
auf
But your brother is visiting you here.
Go to America.